Nestled on the sheer cliffs, where survival seems implausible, lies an innovative poultry farming technique. This method not only ensures substantial economic returns, but also champions environmental conservation. Join me as we embark on a captivating journey into the realm of livestock rearing amidst these rugged cliffs. Are you intrigued by these distinctive farm enclosures? While it may seem improbable, this method is actively employed across several Asian nations like China, the Philippines, and Vietnam, where the poultry industry flourishes. Leveraging the mountainous landscape, farmers construct multi-tiered enclosures, ingeniously adapting to their surroundings. Let's delve into the nurturing process of young chicks. Caring for chicks on the mountainside demands meticulous attention and ingenuity. Selecting secure locations for protective enclosures is paramount to shield them from potential risks, ensuring their safety and well-being. Nourishment is sourced from nature, comprising grass, leaves, insects, and seeds. Greetings, everyone! Isn't it astonishing? Moreover, safeguarding them against harsh weather conditions is imperative, necessitating robust enclosure designs capable of withstanding nature's fury. The diverse mountainous terrain fosters a thriving environment for poultry farming, with its deep valleys and precipitous slopes. Despite its benefits, this model encounters challenges, particularly from predatory animals like foxes and eagles. At these poultry farms, a noteworthy practice prevails: abstaining from synthetic chemicals, antibiotics, or genetically modified substances in poultry care. Instead, natural methods are embraced for disease prevention and treatment, showcasing ingenious resourcefulness. This approach maximizes efficiency by utilizing natural rock caves as chicken shelters, eliminating the need for expensive barn constructions. It's a testament to the adaptability and resourcefulness of mountainous poultry farming, proving that innovation thrives even in the most unlikely of habitats. Free-range meat raised using this method is celebrated for its delectable, unique flavor and exceptional quality. The notable disparity between free-range and farm-raised chicken in contemporary farming lies in their tenderness and rich taste derived from their natural upbringing, devoid of artificial enhancers. This stark contrast in flavor profile enhances the culinary experience, rendering free-range chicken the preferred option for aficionados of natural flavors. Now, let's explore the intricacies of raising and tending to modern chicken farms with large-scale operations. Following hatching, millions of chicks are relocated to enclosed facilities for health assessments and vaccinations. Employing cutting-edge technology, each chick's health status is meticulously evaluated to ensure optimal development. Chickens meeting the stringent criteria are tagged automatically and delicately, upholding their quality and safety standards. Presently, in the United States alone, there exist approximately 233,000 farms predominantly cultivating corn, soybeans, and a variety of mixed feeds, furnishing a diverse and balanced nutritional regimen for the flock. With the integration of modern technology and advanced equipment in mechanized farms, the adoption of nipple drinkers for water provision is widespread, particularly in mechanized poultry facilities. This adoption not only streamlines water supply, augmenting efficiency, but also minimizes mishaps and conserves time for caretakers. Are you intrigued by the management of chicken manure and the maintenance of coop hygiene on farms? A prevalent solution involves the utilization of a conveyor belt system to expel chicken manure from the coop, disposing of it outside the premises daily. Please indicate your commitment by commenting number 1, signifying your intention to stay engaged until the conclusion of this video. For commercially raised chicken breeds, the harvesting period is typically shorter compared to free-range farms. These farms are specifically designed to meet the demands of large-scale production and consumption while upholding the quality standards of chicken products. Once the chickens reach the appropriate age and weight, they are transported to large processing plants to undergo the meat production process. Within a chicken processing plant, where approximately 3 to 2 million chickens are processed daily, a series of efficient procedures take place. Millions of chickens are hung upside down and conveyed along a belt. This process is followed by the removal of the chicken feet and the cleaning of internal organs. The chickens then undergo a brief immersion in a saltwater bath to ensure cleanliness, enhance efficiency, and meet production standards, from farming to harvesting and processing, ensuring the final product meets the highest quality standards. Chicken meat stands as one of the most widely consumed foods globally, enriching culinary traditions with its versatility and flavor. From beloved dishes to traditional recipes, chicken meat holds a cherished place in various cultures, imparting distinctive flavors to each cuisine. In recent years, the poultry meat production and export industry has emerged as one of the largest economic sectors worldwide. Large-scale poultry processing plants play a pivotal role in driving the growth of this industry, offering employment opportunities, fostering economic development, and ensuring the provision of safe and high-quality food for millions of people globally. Thank you for watching all our videos. Hope this video will help everyone. Thank you and see you again.